Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to fix your GTA 5 save file data could not be loaded. So basically it's an issue with the cache. So we need to clear the cache. So first we need to access your settings on your device, your PS4 for example. Then once you're in your settings, come scroll down and select application saved data management. Select this option right here and you'll see a bunch of different options. Okay, I want you to click on this one, choose this one, save data in a system storage. Go ahead and click on this and then click on a delete. Okay, scroll all the way down, choose delete option. And basically you need to select your game. So for example, for us, it's a GTA 5. Select then and toggle this one on, right? Select that and then go ahead and click on a delete. So basically after this, it should work perfectly fine. You can launch a GTA 5 and it will work. So I hope this helped you out, and if it did, consider smashing the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.